Play by ear, idiom. The idiom means to improvise or handle a situation as it develops without a fixed plan. It's like making decisions on the fly, adjusting as you go based on the circumstances. Examples: vacation planning. We don't have a strict itinerary for our trip. We'll just play it by ear and see what we feel like doing each day. Meeting arrangements. I'm not sure what time I'll be free, so let's just play it by ear and see how the day goes. Class presentation. I didn't prepare a detailed speech. I'm going to play it by ear and talk about the main points as I remember them. Dinner plans. We haven't decided on a restaurant yet. We'll head down and play it by ear. Tips for remembering. Visualize. Imagine a musician playing a song without sheet music, relying on their sense of sound and intuition. Just like that musician, you handle situations as they come. Connect. Think about times when you've had to make decisions on the go without a detailed plan, like deciding what to do with friends on a spontaneous outing. Practice. Use the idiom in sentences to describe scenarios where you don't have a fixed plan and are adapting as you go. Fun fact: the idiom "play by ear" originally comes from the world of music, where it refers to playing music without reading notes, relying on one's ear to guide them. This musician's skill of improvising translates perfectly to everyday situations where you adapt and go with the flow. Let's make some music. When life is on and plans aren't clear, just take a breath and play by ear. No need to stress, just go with the flow. Trust your heart, let your instincts show. Improvising as you go along, finding your way like a favorite song. Sometimes the path is hard to steer, but you'll find your way if you play by ear. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.